Tips for BIM beginners: basic rules and practices. Tips number 1. Define at first your modeling tools. It's necessary to keep in mind the hardware and software requirements as you transition from CAD to BIM. Currently, the most popular and utilized modeling tools are Autodesk Revit and Graphisoft's ArchiCAD. Tips number 2. Revit or ArchiCAD. It's important to consider the operating system that you plan on using. Pay attention to the version of the software and their compatibility. Tips number 3. Gradually implementing BIM. Establish the objectives that you hope to fulfill with its implementation at first, then look at its impact on productivity, including the time needed for training and learning curves of the software. Tips number 4. Optimizing the learning curve. Adopting or implementing into a beta project to generate the content flow and to detect the program's weak spots before applying the BIM methodology to the rest of your projects. Tips number 5. What types of projects do you design and who develops them? Understand what these technologies involve and how they affect, for better or worse, the process of project development. Consider the profile of the people who will use the technology. Not all team members need to learn to use the same tools or to the same degree as each other. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and click the notification bell if you liked this video. For more tips and hacks about BIM, watch our other videos. To learn more about Gamma AR, BIM, or using augmented reality in construction, you can visit our website. Subscribe to our social media channels to keep in touch.